everyone? Welcome to yet another nutrition video where I'm going to show you how to do oven baked garlic shrimp. So as you can see here, I have a cooking sheet full of large raw Gulf shrimp. So the first thing I'm gonna do here, since I got everything lined up on the sheet, I'm gonna start going ahead and throw olive oil all over it. So I'm gonna start with the Goya, and I'm gonna go ahead and put lemon pepper over it. And last but not least, I'm gonna do the garlic powder. You can feel free to mix and match with your seasonings. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees, and my oven has heated up to 400 degrees. I'm just going to take this here shrimp. I'm just throw that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and give the shrimp, since it's frozen, about 17 minutes. And then I'll come back once that's finished. We'll check it. You know me, I like to use my thermometer, so that's what I'm gonna be using to check the shrimp. When it comes to shrimp, seafood, temperature should be at about 145 degrees when it's cooked. So my shrimp is now finished. Right, 160. I know these were some of the ones that were frozen earlier. There's 159. Got 148 right there, 149, 162, 163. So again, 145. That's safe eating temperature for any kind of seafood. Well, that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and call this good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely, enjoy this recipe as well as I do also. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.